In this question, if I talk about the angles in any two parallel lines, so these angles we call it as exterior alternate angles. So in that case, the alternate angles will be always equal. So in that case, I can simply say 5x plus 8 has to be equals to 133. And in that case, 5x has to be equals to 133 minus 8 is going to be 125. So that is the reason the value of x has to be 25. So there is also another way of solving it. So you can also think about a vertically opposite angle. So this angle would be 133. And if I talk about these two angles, so these two angles are corresponding angles in your parallel line, so which are also the same. So in that case also you will be getting something like 5x plus 8 is equals to 113. So if you 133, so if you simplify it, you will still get the value of x to be 25. Option B is the right answer for this sum.